So we have this list of commandments that Jesus gives us. And they're not meant to be these arbitrary rules that are really, really taxing on us, that are just limiting our lives and our fun. Even though it may seem like that sometimes. That's the ethics. One thing also that was really good in this book was talking about ethics versus ethos. Ethics is all the rules or the commandments. Ethos is what our heart desires, what our heart actually wants to do. A quick example of this is, do you need the commandment that says, you shall not murder your best friend? No, that's silly. Or at least in your case, I hope not, because if that was true, I wouldn't want to be your best friend. Whew, that'd be scary. But anyway, I don't think you need the command that says, you shall not kill your best friend. Why? Because your heart doesn't desire to. You don't have this desire to do it, so you don't need a command to do it. But Jesus knows our hearts and our desires. After the fall, we have all sorts of disordered desires. Some call it twisted desires. And what he wants to do is untwist them. So he shows us what's right in commandments, but he ultimately wants it to be our ethos that makes the decisions. In heaven, we don't need the commandments because everyone wants to live in love. No one wants to grasp or take or possess, but rather to give and receive love. Another example of this ethics versus ethos is my mom likes it when my dad makes the bed in the morning. This could just seem like another rule to my dad, but he actually loves my mom. And if my mom has expressed to my dad that a way to love her is for him to make the bed after he gets out of it in the morning, it's not too much to ask. Actually, it's something that he desires. He wants to do it. So early on in the marriage, it was a rule. Now, I think it's written on his heart. He wants to do it. He wants to love my mom.